If you want to hear what I thought of the Tatcha water cream and the Tatcha the Silk Canvas Primer, then stick around. Hi there, it's Hélène with another video, and this time it is a mini brand new focus skincare, the outcome of trying out the Tatcha the water cream and the samples of the Tatcha the silk canvas. Now what I had were two of the Tatcha the water cream containers. These are deluxe samples, and they lasted me quite a while. 5 ml was pretty good. I used those in the morning as a replacement for my regular day-to-day moisturizer, which at the time was the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, is what I was displacing with the Tatcha water cream. And then these guys, I had 7 of. So you'll see the sample right in there. And let me just make sure that I had 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I had 8 of these. And each one, if I was only using it in the T-zone, I realized that one of these lasted me 7 days. So 7 times 8, I had 56 days worth of product. But I then also decided, so I was using it pretty much in this area and on the chin, and then I decided, wait a minute, somebody was mentioning on YouTube that they really liked it on the periphery of their face, and I just decided to go kind of all in, and that made these samples last about 3 days each. So I was using it up here, here, and then on the bridge of my nose as well. So a little goes a long way with the silk canvas from Tatcha. I enjoyed the scent very much. It has a light lemony scent, and the water cream as well has a very nice, very, very mild fragrance. It feels really good on the skin. I did think it was good as a primer base for the rest of my makeup. It says filter finish protective primer. It is more like a balm. I agree with that. It says this velvety smoothing balm makes makeup last longer while keeping it out of skin, helping to minimize clogged pores and breakouts. Dot face with fingertips and massage a thin layer into skin to blur, prime, protect, and reveal a healthy looking, more even toned complexion. I would agree with that. I think that even just putting the silk canvas as a primer on the skin made a difference to my skin just as is. And I was very pleased to go through and have 8 samples to go through that lasted me so long. I am a little bit sheepish about the price, although, like I said, a little goes a long way. I will consider the silk canvas as a primer at some point in the future. I have a ton of primers to go through. If you have not seen my set of primers in my makeup collection, I will put the link to that video starting off at my primers if you want to see them. But I would highly recommend. So I would highly recommend Tatcha products, both the silk canvas and the water cream, but silk canvas would be my #1. Water cream second. I think there are a lot of good creams out there. Because of the experience of using the water cream and the experience of using the silk canvas primer was really nice. I looked forward to it every day, and I think that that is nice to be able to say about a makeup product. So even though this was a mini brand new focus because I did not have a ton of the product, being able to use the silk canvas for weeks, I would have to say, kind of turns it into a regular brand new focus skincare edition type video, because I feel like I had enough time with the product to make a firm judgment. When it comes to the water cream, I would have liked to have had more of it to try it longer, but for the couple weeks that I did use it, I liked it. I liked the experience of it, and would not hesitate to get another deluxe sample of it at some point in the future to get to use it again. Was it a very good introduction to the Tatcha brand? Absolutely. I really enjoyed what I got and the experience overall. So I would recommend at least these two Tatcha products, and they do make me curious to try more from the brand. So that's all I have to offer on my Tatcha Mini Brand New Focus Skincare Edition. I hope you found this review helpful. I do look forward to seeing you in the next video. But for now, take care.